Hello, Yusuf, Onabekun here once again. So on today's video, I'll be showing how you can use keyword planner either to write posts or to have idea of what your competitor are advertising for a particular keyword or even probably keywords you want to do. So let's say, actually I don't really know the URL, so most times what I just do is enter keyword planner into Google. Let's bring out this for me and I click on it and it lands me on that page. So to get most out of it, it's more advisable you sign in. So because I'm signing in my Gmail, automatically to sign in. So most times you can see what they said here. Discover new keywords, get search volume and forecast. So what is discover new keywords? Most times this is what you use when you want to have an idea of related keywords of what you can do. So let's come up with keywords. Let's say I want to advertise endurance. I hope I'm correct. Let me use, yeah. So I click on get started. Now using for all locations. So let me edit it to the location I want to target. Nigeria, according to them, we are 9.6 is the target. So save, so I can have much more detailed keywords that we are ranking for. So this is the way it works. This is the way it works. You can even choose the dates, the time frame, which is the number of months, last one from last month. So you don't end up working with keywords that are not really working. So what I would employ most times is you edit last within a year is still very much good. And as you can see, we have range 1K to 10K. It's split out into various one, and you can see the probable top of the page shows the low range of adverts that we can pay for a keyword. So let's say, and this is how it looks like. You can use this toggle to make it analyze it. So that's how it looks like. So what I advise in this scenario is you download these keyword ideas. Let me put it on my desktop. So that's one. Let me now open that other page. Sign in and go through the process again. So to get a keyword volume, so you can simply just upload a particular file. Choose this and click on submit. Now you use this one instead of using. Now look at the probable keywords you can put add it to your keyword we're setting up. You have panties, plus size bra, push up bra, big bra, and these various ones, which it's almost probable that you will not be getting. So you can also use this to get. Now we don't have an ad impression, but you can only see the price. So depending on which option you're clicking on here, you keep getting different ones. Now we've downloaded 652 keywords. It's still uploading right here. So it's loading. Now we click on the location, which is Nigeria. Save. So it should arrange that for you. Now you can see the most detailed aspect of it. This is next one. So because we are looking at it from probable angles you want to advertise for. So now looking at it now, it has come up with the best keywords, the most expensive keywords now under Nigerians, the most used device as well, and it has broken it down to the various states where they're having more tractions, as can be seen here. So for $520 you can get 1.2 clicks as $3 maximum. So if you click on location, it's giving us a breakdown of the total clicks, the impression, the amount, the click-through rate, and the cost per secrecy. So down to the keywords. Now look at the keywords in respect of which keywords has the highest, will be having the highest number of clicks. Now you see, from the look of things now, bra has the highest number of clicks, seems wants to be expensive. And now you have an idea of keywords to use while setting up your advert. As the highest number of players, $3, which is not the most expensive. The most expensive costs from this ad group that I've downloaded. Uh, sorry, cost. The most expensive cost is bra. Now, this is the maximum, which is it's giving you an idea of how much you can set up for you to be able to come up for bra. The amount CPC you need to put for you to be able to come up for bra. Now at $3, these are the various keywords you can include into your ad group. So now you've gotten your ad group, you already have an idea of how it works out. So it's splitted all your ads into one ad group. Now you can, if you want to set up stuffs like this, now you have various prices here. This is $3 continuously. This is $3 content. This is one of 200, right? So now let's move down to the last page to see. Now look at it. This now, these are $3. These are also $3, but they don't have any click-through rate. Moving to the initial one, definitely we want to work with the one that has much more click-through rate. But when people look at it, I can see click-through rate for this is Nigerian, UK, and how much, and the cost you are probably going to pay when somebody click on it. Though it's suggesting you do it at $3, but you could pay to the range of $3.56. So this is the way you can use the keywords to search to help your ad campaign. And there are so many. Now you can see this is only on Google and search partners. So Google and search partners, we all know what that is, and these are also the keywords that come out of it. So that's the way to go about using your keyword planner to help you come out with the best keyword ideas to use for your campaign. Thank you very much.